Many companies struggle to define the optimal approach to digital transformation with so many emerging technologies arising in the tech landscape, such as generative AI, data analytics, and machine learning, for example. We help companies tackle application development and modernization challenges by selecting the right tech specialists according to the business specifications and quickly scaling their digital transformation capacity.
Having delivered over 800 application development projects and more than 300 companies around the globe, Ecor has people, process, and experience needed to provide world-class services. Our teams of highly skilled tech specialists, assisted by right AI tools, can help you make the most of your cloud investments.
For agile squads or staff augmentation, our teams are comprised of highly qualified professionals with an average seniority ranging from 5 to 10 years of experience. With vast technical and domain knowledge, we have multiple certifications and specializations, including Google Cloud and AWS platform. Depending on each customer's digital transformation needs, we offer application development and modernization services.
In application development services, we co-create new applications using design thinking. We take a user-centric approach, where we prototype and test the solution with real users before developing it. This minimizes investment uncertainties and enables problem solving. Additionally, we provide continuous application and cloud support, including maintenance and feature releases.
In application modernization, we rely on our 20 years of experience and assessment tools to consult with our clients when deciding what to do with each application, the well-known 5 Rs. And we have deep expertise in rebuilding legacy or monolithic applications using microservices, containers, and an API-first approach. If needed, we entirely recreate apps with cloud-native components to take optimal advantage of the client's cloud environment and leverage AI capabilities.
Plus, with the headquarters in New York and delivery centers in Brazil and Mexico, we provide real-time collaboration due to time zone compatibility with North America-based companies and enhance cost-effectiveness with savings from 40 to 55%.
Whether you need a trust partner to conduct complex end-to-end application modernization projects or staff augmentation to scale your team's capacity, we are the sweet spot between service delivery excellence and cost-effectiveness for accelerating modern digital transformation. Contact Ecor today.